Alright, so I'm just taking a little extra video here. Looks like it's a 220 plug. It's probably just best to just keep it on that. That's probably your directional here. It looks like it just rotates this way. So that's how it works. That's how it mixes. I started to unscrew this already. So we'll take that off. Take the cap off. Set it on the side here. Let's take a look on the inside, see what this thing has. Well, I'm unable to turn it up, so let's see. Okay, so if you can see in there, it does have some paddles in order to mix the powder. Now those paddles, they don't move, they're just stationary. But if you could see them there, that'll probably do your mix in there. And that's it. This one's a larger one, 100 liter. Let's a good look at it. Looks to be about, I don't know, I'd say bigger than 25 gallons now that I'm looking at it. Here's the other piece here. There's the mechanics. Pretty simple setup. Chain. Motor. Turns it over. That's it. All right.